Alright, what is up guys? I'm back again with a quick video of how you can find ideas for free. And today we're going to cover Stack Overflow. Whether you're trying to start a new SaaS idea or you're trying to just find new marketing ideas or trying to build a product with no code, this video hopefully will help you. It'll probably be more targeted towards finding ideas that caters towards selling to developers and people that are more technical, but it should be a good video regardless. So I'm going to try to keep it under 3 minutes and keep it value packed. So let's get started. First, if you don't know what Stack Overflow is, it's basically like a forum for programming questions. And the great thing about Stack Overflow is that all the questions are rated based on votes, and these are all problems. So you can take the problem / question and then turn it into a product or service. So one example of that is I just randomly went to this page here and I went to Claude and I asked it to create product ideas from the questions that are listed on the page. So one of the product ideas that it gave me is this Mac OS utility that quickly identifies and terminates processes locking specific ports. So this is the product idea, which is basically finding ports on your device and closing them if they're messing up your computer. And the reason that it came up with this idea is because one of the questions or problems that the person had is find and kill processes locking ports, and this got 3,000 votes and almost 4 million views. So the great thing is if you built this product, you could directly link it in the Stack Overflow page and get it uploaded, and people will see the problem, then they'll see your product and then they'll buy it. So that's the entire marketing strategy. And I wanted to give one example of a company that did this exactly. If you know about Postman, they literally started from Stack Overflow. So they grew specifically from posting about their software on questions on Stack Overflow. So if you search Postman growth history, you'll see like how they were able to grow purely through Stack Overflow. Their first launch was on Stack Overflow. So this is a proven method of how to find product ideas on Stack Overflow. So let's just do another page just to show you guys more examples. What you do is you go to questions, and this will rank it based on the top questions. Let's say you want to go to like maybe page 7, and we just copy and paste this page, put it into Claude, give me product ideas from these questions and problems. So we're creating products from problems that people have. That's why it's validated. These aren't ideas that you come up with in the shower. These are direct problems that people have, and you're creating products to solve those problems. So let's go through this list and see if we can find anything new. This idea seems pretty good, which is a CSS plugin simplifies styling of input placeholders across different browsers, providing consistent way to modify placeholder text appearance. Basically, a lot of developers hate doing front-end work, so having a plugin that makes it easier is a pretty good idea. This one's pretty simple, a JavaScript library that offers a simple cross-browser solution for copying text to the clipboard with fallbacks for unsupported browsers. This is like for the use case where people use like Firefox and Chrome and they want to copy text in between. That's probably one of the questions that was brought up if we search like copying text. Yeah, so how do I copy to the clipboard in JavaScript? You can create one specific desktop app that solves this problem, or even a quick Chrome extension. So this is how you can come up with Chrome extension ideas as well. Let's see this one here, a SQL tool that simplifies complex update operations, allowing developers to easily construct update statements based on select queries with a user-friendly interface. This could be a Chrome extension idea, which is basically allowing developers to create SQL queries easier. So let's just do one more page. Obviously, the top pages are probably going to be the best results, but if you want to find really niche problems, what you can do is like change the page number. So let's just go to page 50, and on page 50, you'll see that these questions get a lot of views. Also, you can sort it or based on the number of upvotes and how new it is. And then if you want to filter it based on specific languages or problems, that's also possible. Let's say we want to only find problems in the programming language of Node. So you can find all the questions or problems that people have with Node and Node.js. And then let's say we want to find desktop app questions. So just search desktop apps and copy and paste this, come up with product ideas. So some of the problems in this desktop app niche is OAuth for desktop apps. So this is a problem where people are having problems providing user logins. So this is a possible software idea. If we scroll down, like push notice for desktop apps. So this could be a software idea, which is basically making it easier for people to add push notice for their desktop apps. So let's go to Claude and see what it comes up with. So basically it will give you a bunch of suggestions. If you want more, you can just ask it to provide more suggestions, but let's just find one good example from this. So here, a comprehensive solution for managing automatic updates in desktop apps, including version control, delta updates, and user nodes. So this is probably a problem where updating desktop apps is very hard. If we go back to Stack Overflow, we can probably find the question that prompted this. So automatically update desktop apps, and this thing got 5K views, and you can click on the post and see like what the exact problem is. What is the most efficient way to set up automatic updates for desktop apps? So this person probably is having problems doing automatic updates, so you can create some solution to solve this problem. This was just a quick and easy way to find ideas to build micro SaaS off of Stack Overflow. So if you guys want a easier way to find ideas, you can use Explore Insights. Basically, the goal of Explore Insights is to allow you to search and find profitable ideas faster. Again, that's Explore Insights. This is paid, but it should speed up your time to find a idea. We recently added this new AI insights, which will give you ideas. So there's like market opportunities, biggest problems in the niche. This is for a lot of broad niches. You can scan and try to find the biggest opportunities. And there's a lot of revenue and order information that will allow you to validate your ideas faster. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. And I will probably create more videos on how to find ideas for free